What is up, you Kalimbackers? You Kalimbackers, no? Welcome to another episode of Kalimbanizing series, a series where I talk about Kalimba. Have you seen this before? This is called pickup. This is directly attached to a musical instrument, capturing the vibration. How do we use it though? If that's also your question, please keep watching. Let's do this. The main purpose of pickup is to amplify the sound just like microphone. The difference between the two is, this one is directly attached to a musical instrument while the microphone is capturing the sound from a distance. As Albert mentioned, I agree that the bad thing about this is that it's too sensitive. But the good thing about this is it's too sensitive. Before I show you 3 ways how to use that pickup to record your Kalimba music, let me first give a shout out to All About Kalimba Facebook group and these people who motivate me to make this video. Here are 3 ways how you can use that pickup for recording. Number 1, use it with your phone. To use your phone, you need an interface like Erick. Connect it using a 6.5mm jack, then the sound signal will go to your phone's app like BandLab, where you can apply some effects and you can have a monitor through an earphone or a speaker. It's simple, right? Yes. An app like BandLab includes recorder and effects. This is how Rainier SPL, my close friend, records his music. Shout out to you, Rainier. Please check him out. Let me show you a clip of him talking about BandLab.
Ayan, pwede kang maglagay naman. Eto, may reverb na rito. Tapos titimplayin mo na lang. Tapos may mga amp na rin dito. Yan, may mga cab.
By the way, these tips are also applicable with Kalimba like this. Kalimba with installed pickup. Number 2, use this with a mixer, an interface, and a computer. Now, if you have money and you love spending it, just kidding, you may do this model right here. Your Kalimba sound signal will be processed by a mixer going to an audio interface, then to your computer. That's the traditional way of recording it. You can actually cut out the mixer and go directly to the interface nowadays. Then, process the sound in your computer by adding some effects. To make things simpler, let's go to number 3, and this is also my own setup. By the way, if this video helps you, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more videos like this. Let's go to number 3 and I'll show you my own setup. With this attached to the Kalimba, I'm using an amplifier, a USB condenser microphone, and a computer. My Kalimba sound signal will go directly to amplifier. Sound will be captured by this microphone which is connected to my computer via USB. And that's it. Oh, before I forget, it is optional to add some effects in between just like the looping sound you heard earlier. Feel free to check out my other Kalimba and ukulele videos. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Paalam. God bless.